due to the increasingly dangerous conditions outside, and of course my lack of supplies here, I'm afraid I will have to try to venture out into the storm to try to get to a grocery store and hope and pray that they still have what I need in order to survive. It's not looking good, but this is the only option I have. Driving in these conditions is going to be an impossible endeavor. So I'm going to have to walk. Thankfully, I don't live far from the store. But in order to brave these conditions, you got to dress appropriately. So I'm going to prepare for that. Now, I've started off a base layer that I've been wearing around the house. Pretty standard shirt, overshirt. And then I've got some nice socks hanging out on top of some thermals underneath. Kind of a bit of a flash dance type look going on, but it's working. It's keeping the warmth. This is just the base layer. There's a lot more that'll go into this. Okay, to really round out the winter survival outfit, we're gonna have to add another thick overshirt. You know what? I don't even feel good about that one. Let's throw a third one. So we're gonna have 3 of these. Along with that, we got a coat. The coat will go on top of that, just to make sense. Scarf. We're actually going to double scarf it. We call that a wintry mix, just to be safe. In fact, you know what? We'll triple scarf it. This is something of my wife's. I don't know. It looks like a giant headband, but I'm going to try to wrap it around my face and see what happens. Of course, a little winter hat. And then to be even safer with that, we just throw an Ushanka hat on top of it. And that should give us enough warmth to be able to brave this cold. Okay, it's time to try to venture out into the storm. I brought us some food for the journey just in case things get too crazy and I start to starve along the way. There's no telling what to expect. No telling what we'll find out there. Here we go. Okay, so I couldn't do it. I've guessed at this point I've just resigned myself to my fate that I'm trapped here, and all I have left to sustain myself, are these Kirkland steak strips. And I guess, like all the chicken and bread and stuff that I have. I just don't know how I'm going to make it through, Stay strong out there, everyone. We're going to get through this together.